can understand this this code like this. Now you can see this code. So over
Yeah.
here, we can make a print statement for checking the value of I. Okay. So now we can see that what is the value of I. Okay. So first value of I was -2, and second value of I was -1,
-1.
then 0, then 1, then 2. Okay. So it's like this. So
Okay.
how it's printing now, you see that. So -2 times
2.
2 is -4. -2 times -1 is, oh, sorry, just -2 -1 multiplied by 2 is -2. So that is over here. Okay. Then the third value is 0. So 0 multiplied by 2 is 0.
0.
Okay. And then we have 2 times 2. So it's 4. Oh, sorry, it's 1. So 1 times 2 is
It is
2.
2.
2
And
times
2
2
is
is 4. Do you understand now?
yeah.
First are the values of I, and then just multiply these values with, okay, for your understanding, we can print like this. So now you will understand the output. See, -2 times 2, -1 times 2, 0 times 2, 1 times 2, 2
Yeah.
times 2. Now you understand the output.
Yeah.
Any question?
No.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay.